Nature doesn't give up. So why should you? Many see a rotting fruit and call it trash. I see a survivor, a little patience, and we bring back what was once lost. Life doesn't need to be perfect to be reborn. It just needs a second chance. People ask me, how do you save a broken stem? The secret isn't inexpensive chemicals. It's in the basics. A touch of cinnamon to protect, and the healing gel of the aloe to nurture. It's not magic. It's wisdom. And look at this little warrior, tired and neglected. We strip away the dead, we refresh the soil, and we give it the strength to hunt again. Some plants aren't just for decoration. Gardening isn't just about plants. It's about life. Subscribe for more hidden wisdom.